Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to see one more no rate limit attack onto a very famous website. So this is no broker website and we are going to see how we can bypass the verification process and do a no rate limit attack onto this website. So I'm going to go into the login and sign up, and I'm going to log in into my phone number. So I'm just giving my phone number because I want to log in into my account. So I have given my phone number, and you can see the application has sent an OTP onto my mobile phone. So here, for example, I'm going to give a OTP that is 0000, and I'm going to hit continue and capture the request in Burp suite. As you can see, I have captured the request in Burp suite. Now I'm going to send this request to the intruder tab. Before sending this to intruder, I'm going to do action do intercept response to this request because I want to see what is the response of a wrong OTP. Okay, so the response is incorrect OTP. All right. So I will just go to the intruder tab. In the target section, you can see my target is nobroker.in. I'll just go to the position tab, clear all the positions, select the OTP position, click add. Now go into the payloads and choose numbers. In the payload options, I'm going to start from where my OTP should start until where the OTP should end. Now I will go to the option tab. I'm going to grab what we were able to see onto the website, that is incorrect OTP. So I'm going to grab this incorrect OTP. Yes, so now I have added this. I've also added some throttle into this request, which is nothing but time delay between each simultaneous request. As you can see, these two OTPs are wrong OTPs as the response is matching incorrect OTP text. So I'm able to brute force all the OTPs and the application is still running. The application has not blocked me, which means I'm able to successfully send a large number of OTPs. As you can observe on the screen, there is some change that is happening. If you see a OTP, there is 3182 in which there is no tick, which means it is not matching the incorrect OTP into its response. So I will just click on it and you can just see 3182 is the OTP, and the response you can see it is giving the message that is successful and it is giving my details. Yes, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy all the right response from here. I'm going to hit the wrong OTP. Click on action, do intercept response to this request. And you can see incorrect OTP. I'm going to replace this with the right response that we have received. And I will just wait for the application to reload. And yes, you can see I have successfully logged in into my account. I will just go on my profile to show I am successfully logged in into the account. And yes, you can see this is my profile, my email address, my mobile phone number. So I hope you guys understood. Thank you for watching.